Boyard, bird, burton, and bizam are double-layered, self-supporting tents from the Husky Outdoor line. They all feature a simple design, laminated poles, a spacious inner tent, and big vestibules where you can stow everything you need. The waterproof fly sheet protects you from the rain, and reinforced seams are standard for all. Now let's have a look at each model. Bizam. The final securing of the fly sheet is performed by simply snapping on the plastic buckle. Bizam is designed for a pair of non-demanding campers who will appreciate its minimum weight and volume. Thanks to this, cyclists prefer it too. The two-pole construction of the tent burton is extended by a third short pole, helping to secure the vestibule. Like most of the Husky tent models, the fly sheet is secured by snapping on the plastic clips. Burton, a two-layer tent with two entrances, an original design of the vestibule. It's a tent for two, but three can sleep there when it's absolutely necessary. The tent bird. This is an ideal tent for three campers. The inner tent is big enough for you to have 3 sleeping bags inside, and you'll still have enough room for your backpacks. Boyard. There is also a classic two-pole construction extended by a third short pole, and this secures the vestibule. Boyard is the most spacious tent in the Husky Outdoor line. It can provide refuge for up to 4 campers. This is actually the most universal tent for all occasions. In the inner tent of all 4 tents, which can also be used as a mosquito curtain in the hot summer, you will find plenty of practical space. Ventilation holes found in the top of the tent provide nice airflow. These tents are the biggest sellers in the outdoor line. This is mainly thanks to upholding Husky's quality for a reasonable price. I'm sure that you'll find one that's just right for you.